Okay, so for this practice 4.3, go through the answer, then that'll be the end of your self-study for this chapter. When I come back, we will start to cover the word problems. Okay, and then move on to chapter 5. Okay, so chapter 4 is almost entirely self-study on your own. Okay, so I hope you've been doing your parts. Alright, we will have a quiz soon. Alright, so since this is this topic will be tested in WA2. Alright, if you have not completed the exercise or done it on your own, then I will need to hold you back. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, let's go through these questions. Okay, 1A, we have 3, 2 plus A. Okay, so we multiply. Alright, so we get 2 bracket 3 plus A bracket 3. Okay, so 2 times 3, 6 plus 3A. Okay, next one, C. Okay, so same thing, we multiply with both terms inside the brackets. So you get 2D 5 minus 6E 5. Okay, so you get 10D minus 30E. Okay, the last one, E. It is minus 4, 7 minus 5N. So the whole of minus 4 will multiply with both terms. You will get 7 minus 4 minus 5N minus 4. Okay, so 7 minus 4 is minus 28. Then minus plus. Okay, minus plus. You should get 20N. Right, number multiplied by number, alphabet cannot multiply by number. Alright, so easy. Alright, this part should be quite easy, right? Okay, so question 2A. 3x plus 6y plus 2x minus 5y. So I'm going to do it over here. Okay, 3x plus 6y plus 2x minus 5y. Okay, so the sign here will not affect anything inside the brackets. So it's 3x plus 6y plus 2x. Okay, when you expand, multiply the sign. Plus is plus, minus is minus. Okay, so what are the like terms? The like terms will be 3x. Any other term that has an x? Here. Okay, so you will get 5x. Alright, and then plus 6y minus 5y. Okay, so you will get plus 6 minus 5 plus y. Okay, then part B, we have 12a plus 6 plus 3b minus 5a minus 8 plus 4b. Okay, so from here we get 12a plus 6 plus 3b, and after that this sign here, minus plus minus 5a. Alright, then minus plus 8, then minus plus will give you minus 4b. Okay, so highlight the same terms. 12a is here, so another a term will be here. Okay, then 6 is here, any other constant? 8. Then lastly 3b minus 4b. Okay, so when you look at it, it is 12 minus 5a, 7a, 6 plus 8 plus 14, plus 3 minus 4 minus b. Can? Okay, all together pretty simple. Okay, 6m minus 4n 6n minus 4n minus negative 2n plus 7n m minus 4. Okay, so by this time you should be familiar already. 6m minus 4n, the negative outside reverses all the signs inside the brackets. This becomes 4 plus 2n minus 7m plus 4. Okay, what are the similar terms? 6m minus 7m. Okay, then you have minus 4n plus 2n. Then the last one will be plus 4. Okay, so from here, 6m minus 7m minus m, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2n plus 4. Alright, simple. Okay, then we have minus 2x minus 5a minus bracket 11 plus 9x minus 4a. Okay, so from here, we bring this down. Expand it a bit. This is part D. Sorry, part D. Okay, so we have minus 2x minus 5a, right? Bracket. So we know the negative will change the sign within the bracket, so we get minus 2x plus 5a. Again, change the sign of every term in the bracket, so we get minus 11 minus 9x plus 4a. Okay, then highlight the like terms, 2x minus 9x, 5a plus 2a. Okay, then minus 11. So minus 11x plus 9a minus 11, and this will be your answer. Okay, so far it's been pretty easy. Just expand. The only thing you need to be careful about is the change of sign if there's a negative sign outside the brackets. Okay? Okay, so next one. I have 3 bracket 2a plus 4b. Okay, I'm going to do it here. 3 bracket 2a plus 4b. So b plus 9 bracket 3a minus 2b. Okay, so I'm just going to multiply. So the first one is 3 and 2a. Then 4b and 3. 3a and 9. Minus 2b and 9. Okay, then we get 6a, 12b, 27a, minus 18b. Okay, highlight the like terms. Okay, or identify the like terms. Plus 2b minus 18b. Okay, so from here we get 6a plus 27, 33a, plus 12 minus 18, minus 6b. Okay, quite simple. Okay, next one. 2 bracket 3u minus 5. Okay, this is part D. Minus 3 bracket 2u plus 1. Okay, expand 3u 2 minus 5 2 minus 2u 3. Then don't forget minus plus minus. 3. So you get 6u minus 10 minus 6u minus 3. Okay, so like term 6u minus 6u, we know that this will cancel each other, right? 6 minus 6 equals 0. Minus 10 minus 3 minus 13. Okay, simple. Then after that, the last one, b bracket 5a minus 4. And then minus 2b bracket, or 5b, sorry. Minus 5b minus 4. Minus 7, minus 2b, b plus 4. Okay, so expand in minus 5a bracket b, minus 4 bracket b, minus 2b. Okay, so 2b you multiply in, right? So this part where you have to be careful. Okay, what I suggest is we multiply the number in first. Plus 4 2b. Okay. Then we get minus 5ab minus 4b. Alright, then we have 2bv plus 8b. Okay, then now we multiply the sign in. Minus plus minus. Alright, then minus plus minus. So we get minus 5ab minus 4b. Oh wait, this is not a, this is v. My mistake. Minus 5bb minus b, so minus 2bv minus 8b. Okay, so like terms, minus 5bb minus 2. Okay, minus 5 minus 2 minus 7bb. Minus 8, 4 minus 8 minus 12b. Okay, so overall quite simple so far. Just be careful of the sign changes and you multiply in the terms correctly. Okay, so the last two may not have enough space. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to do it here. 3, 4a, 4c. Okay, you have 4a minus 5a. Okay, 4a minus bracket 5a minus bracket 3a plus 2n. Okay, so we expand the one inside first, so don't forget minus will change the sign of both terms in the bracket, so you will get 4a minus 5a minus 3a minus 2n. Okay, then again the minus outside will change the sign of all the terms in the bracket. 4a minus 5a plus 3a plus 2n. Okay, so like terms, 4a minus 5a plus 3a. Alright, so we have 3a terms, so 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2a plus 2n. Alright, simple, right? Okay, next one. Okay, you have f 5 bracket a minus bracket b minus a plus 7 minus a plus 2b. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Okay, so what do we do here? Okay, we solve the inner bracket first. Okay, so we solve this one. So again, take note, the negative will change the sign of these two terms inside. So we get 5 bracket a minus b plus a plus, okay, multiply the 7 in first, minus a bracket 7 plus 2b bracket 7. Okay, because the sign is a plus, it will not cause any sign to change, right? So we actually can remove the brackets here. Okay, we only keep the brackets if we haven't changed sign, but since our sign doesn't change, we can remove the brackets. So we know that my plus minus will give us minus, right? Minus. Okay, so now we can multiply the 5 into here. So we get a5 minus, okay, I'm just going to multiply the terms indirectly. Get 5a minus 5b plus 5a, okay? Minus 7a plus 14b, okay? So 5a plus 5a is 10a, minus 7a is 3a. Minus 5 plus 14 will be plus 9b. Okay, then finally the last part, last question. H 4 bracket 2p plus 3q minus p plus q. Okay, so this is the last question, right, before we for today, HBL. Okay, so hopefully you have done this instead of waiting for the solution, because there's going to be a quiz, right? If you do not understand, please go and ask, right? I already provided you with a chat box. So 2p plus 3q. Okay, again, the minus will change the sign of both inside. Minus p minus q. Okay. Now you can actually resolve within the bracket first. Alright, 2p minus p plus 3q minus q. So 4. 2p minus p is p, plus 3q minus 3q is plus 2q. Then you expand. 4p plus 8q. Okay. So it's actually pretty simple. Right. So do get ready for the quiz next week. Alright. And hopefully you understand this topic, minus the word problems, which I will cover when I get back. Alright, please finish up everything. I'm going to end the video here.